What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install these Amazon tie-down anchor points. These are for an F150, 250, and I believe a 350. For this one, it's simply just 4 bolts on each side. I don't know if they come or don't come, but mine did not come threaded, so I had to thread them with a tap and die set. Once you get that done, simply just start it up with the one screw on one side. Just put it in there. It's easier if you don't have a bed liner in here. A lot easier. Just start the threads that way. They all have room. And then once you start each one and then catch, you can simply just tie it down all the way. Simple as that. Sorry about the plastic, it's just a bed liner. As for the top one, back to this one. So the bolts that are in it are T30s, T30 Torx, and they are used to hold that one in. This one is simply just a Phillips screwdriver, and they are retractable. It'll look like this once it's done. If you want to use it, just pull it out. It locks, and then once you're done with it, simply just push it right back in. This one is easy, a lot easier than the other one. Just take a flathead screwdriver to pop this cover off. Once you pop that cover off, being that it is angled, you do want to have them facing inside. Unscrew it all the way and it'll hold like that. Slide that in so it locks in place. See how easy that was? Now you just tie it down. Just gotta swap over to a Phillips head. With it tied down, you can start it with the Phillips, and that's how easy it is. I just did that with one hand. And that's it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see some more. That's it.